Hi there, I'm Sgt Denise Leonard of the Hamilton Police Mounted Unit, and I'm in charge of the training, patrol operations, and administrative tasks in the unit. The benefit of the training for this stuff is so that we are confident when we go out on the street, we're confident in what we do, and there's some muscle memory if a situation like this ever happens on the road. It's going to be a very dynamic situation, there's going to be a lot of emotion involved, and it'll be a very high stress situation. So if you train this type of training at least once a year, you're hands-on, you're getting involved, you're doing scenarios, it will just make us that much more prepared if something happens on the street. The value of doing the large animal rescue training with other responders, things like vets and the fire department, is because that's who's going to respond on a scene. Working together today was fantastic. We took some good information from the vets with regards to the response of a horse in a situation like this, things that we could look for that are above and beyond what we normally would talk about in here with regards to horse health care. And then we worked with the fire department and what their sort of roles and responsibility are when they come. And the fact today that we each got to work together and do the scenarios and actually each of us take our role on, there's a comfort now in knowing, and I think in taking away some of the guesswork as to what would happen on a real scene. So the vets gave us some things that they're going to look for, the fire department talked about what they're capable of doing, and then we kind of brought our piece together. So it kind of just brought everything full circle today, and I think all of us feel that much more comfortable if something were to happen on the road. I think we all kind of know where our place is in it.